Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing everything and building a clean timeline so editing is fast. Open your NLE, set the project frame rate to match your main footage, then drop clips into a 16:9 sequence. Once done, make rough cuts, trim to remove dead air and mark best takes with markers. Make a vocal track lane and label clips. This helps you sync commentary to visuals. Also assemble B-roll and reference timestamps for points you'll illustrate, so you can work precisely and avoid wasted rework. You now focus on syncing and tightening the narrative. Manually or auto-sync external mic to camera audio, then normalize and apply light EQ to make the commentary sit above background sound. Trim for rhythm, remove filler, use J and L cuts to keep flow, and add 3x speed on slow sections if needed. Place B-roll and overlays to illustrate claims, and add concise captions for key facts. Make sure transitions are purposeful, not decorative, so the message stays dominant and clear. You finish by polishing audio and exporting. Balance VO at around -6 to -3 dB, lower music under voice, and add gentle compression to even dynamics. Color grade with a small LUT for consistency, then export H. 264/16, 9 with an 8 to 12 Mbps target bitrate for online delivery. Make a master file too. If you hit issues, audio pops, missyncs, or dropped frames, relink original files, clear and render the audio cache, then re-export that.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.